is Atlas, and I will be giving you a review of AI for Sheets, which is my own AI model on Google Sheets. So, I have added DeepSeek, a brand new AI that is very like ChatGPT. Today I will be using OpenAI ChatGPT. I will putting it to the. I'll put it more focused than creative. And then so we have added DeepSeek, and I will be showing you what we can do with this. So, like this, it will give feedback. It's a complaint about a food, and then we'll see if it's negative or positive, if the complaint or something is positive or negative. But if it's a complaint, it's definitely negative. That's for sure. Okay, so that is done. And now let's see the summary. Wonder it's gonna. Oh my god. And now, this is my final summary. Oh my god, this is so much. This is way more than I expected. Oh my god. So as you can see, this is a good complaint. So please rate this product a 5-star. And a shout out to one team of people, Google. They have made one of my AIs, and they made this thing that I'm using right now. So Google, you are probably one of my main teams in my project. So again, I'm very happy that Google is a thing.